Alrighty folks, this little short video is going to be some of our subscribers has sent in different pictures of their garden and different farm scenes. Starting off, oh my gracious, looky there at Miss Kylie. She is a green bean picker. Look at that. Look at all those half runners she picked. Awesome job. Look at them braided onions. Jason sent me this picture. And this table full of tomatoes there. And then coming up, look at this awesome picture. That bee yard. I believe it's called an apiary. Alrighty, there's some okra. There's a pretty good looking tomato there. Now coming up here, look at this bean tunnel. Right there was a man I work with, Jeff Wilcox. Here comes a picture of his garden. Coming up is a tomato he growed last year. Look at there, 2.61 pounds. Look at this head of cabbage. That there is also from Jeff. Now coming up, I work with this man. Here's his garden. Look at them. Them wicking tubs work great. Awesome job. There's some more. Doing great. And there's some bees. That was a swarm trap. Coming up here is some carrots. Now folks, if you'd like to send in some of your pictures of your gardens and different farming stuff there for us to put on, just let us know. And if you do send something, let us know if you want your name attached to it or not. That's entirely up to you. There's some beans. But just let us know if you'd like to show some of your pictures on here. There's some strawberries. There's some good old black raspberries. There's some watermelons from last year. There's some more green beans inside one of them cattle panels. Folks, that there's a good way to go. You're picking in the shade. Gravity's a pulling them beans right down there, right for you to grab a hold of. There's some scarlet runner beans. There's some more tomatoes. There's some cantaloupes. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the like button and the bell notification. And I'd like to thank Miss Kylie for sending in that picture of her. She is a regular little farm lady there. Awesome job. Keep up the good work.